Climate change, the defining challenge of our era. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events are pushing our planet to its limits. But what if the solution isn't in the hands of governments or activists, but machines? Could artificial intelligence, with its unmatched ability to analyze data and predict outcomes, be the key to reversing climate change? Could it help us adapt, mitigate, and maybe even thrive in the face of this global crisis?
Climate change, our greatest fight. AI steps in with hope and light. Machines and data hand in hand to save our world, to heal the land. Welcome to Did You Know? Let's dive inside where AI meets climate change. Futures collide, can machines be our saviors, our guiding force, or just a tool on our collective course?
Welcome back to Did You Know? If you're new here, this is the channel where we explore the biggest what-ifs and the most intriguing possibilities shaping our future. Today, we're asking the question, could AI be our planet's savior? Stick around, because the answers might surprise you. Let's start with how AI is already being used to combat climate change. Imagine an AI system analyzing data from satellites, weather stations, and even social media to track deforestation in real time. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. AI-powered tools can detect illegal logging, predict wildfires, and monitor the health of ecosystems, giving governments and organizations the power to respond faster than ever before. But AI isn't just about monitoring problems, it's about solving them. Take renewable energy, for example. One of the biggest challenges with solar and wind power is that they're inconsistent. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. But AI can predict energy production patterns with incredible accuracy, allowing grids to balance supply and demand more efficiently. In fact, some energy companies are already using AI to optimize their networks, reducing waste and making renewable energy more reliable. Now let's talk about carbon capture. Imagine AI systems guiding machines that pull carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and store it underground. These technologies exist, but they're expensive and energy-intensive. AI could make them more efficient, helping us scale up carbon capture to a level where it actually makes a dent in global emissions. Then there's agriculture. Farming is both a victim of and a contributor to climate change. Droughts, floods, and shifting weather patterns make it harder to grow crops, while livestock and fertilizer release significant amounts of greenhouse gases. AI could revolutionize agriculture by optimizing water use, predicting pest outbreaks, and even designing more resilient crops. Imagine a future where AI helps farmers produce more food with fewer resources, reducing the industry's carbon footprint while feeding a growing population. But AI's potential doesn't stop at land. Our oceans, which absorb much of the planet's carbon dioxide, are critical to the fight against climate change. AI could be used to monitor coral reefs, predict the impact of overfishing, and even guide efforts to restore marine ecosystems. Picture autonomous underwater drones mapping out carbon-rich seagrass meadows, or tracking whale migrations to better protect these natural carbon sinks. Of course, technology isn't a silver bullet. One of the biggest challenges with AI is data. To make accurate predictions and decisions, AI needs massive amounts of reliable data. But in many parts of the world, that data simply doesn't exist. Developing countries, which are often hit hardest by climate change, may not have the resources to implement AI-driven solutions. This raises the question, could AI unintentionally widen the gap between wealthy and vulnerable nations? And then there's the issue of energy. Training and running AI systems require enormous computational power, which means more electricity and potentially more emissions. If AI is to be part of the solution, it needs to run on renewable energy itself. Otherwise, we risk solving one problem while exacerbating another. But let's consider the bigger picture. AI isn't just about technology, it's about how we use it. Imagine an AI-powered system that analyzes global climate policies, identifying the most effective strategies, and pointing out where governments are falling short. Or picture an app that helps individuals reduce their carbon footprint by tracking their daily habits and suggesting greener alternatives. AI could empower everyone, from world leaders to everyday citizens, to make smarter, more sustainable choices. Still, we have to ask, is relying on AI to fix climate change a dangerous gamble? Technology has incredible potential, but it's not infallible. Algorithms can be biased, data can be incomplete, and unforeseen consequences can derail even the best intentions. At the end of the day, AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It can guide us, but it can't replace the hard work of reducing emissions, changing behaviors, and holding polluters accountable. So, what's the verdict? Could AI save our planet? Or are we putting too much faith in machines? The truth is, AI is a powerful ally in the fight against climate change, but it's up to us to use it wisely. And don't miss our next episode, where we explore a fascinating and futuristic question. What if robots became citizens? How would society change if machines were granted human rights? Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Did You Know?
Imagine life without the net. No endless scrolls, no instant set. No streams, no memes, no Google site. A world unplugged from digital light. Welcome to Did You Know? Let's dive inside. A world without the internet, where futures collide. Would life be simpler, or would it stall? In this digital free world, we'd stand or fall. We'll imagine life without the net. No endless scrolls, no instant set.